Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product which Nane is the Ordinary Argireline Solution 10%. The Ordinary Argireline Solution 10% is the ordinary serum formulated to tackle expression lines and wrinkles, specifically around the eyes and forehead area. This is a water-based serum that targets the visible signs of aging. These signs of aging include fine lines, forehead wrinkles, smile lines, the dreaded 11 vertical lines between your eyebrows and crow's feet. The best part of this serum is that it is formulated for all skin types and is oil-free, silicone-free, alcohol-free, nut-free, and gluten-free. This lightweight serum has a watery consistency that sinks into my skin quickly and doesn't leave my skin greasy or oily. It feels invisible under makeup. Why this Ordinary Argireline Solution 10% used for wrinkles? As its main ingredient is argireline. Argireline is the trademarked name for the synthetic plant-derived peptide acetylhexapeptide 8 that has been shown to have a significant anti-aging effect on dynamic lines and wrinkles. It is considered by many dermatologists to be the most similar topical treatment to botox and actually works in a similar way to botulinum toxin by limiting the neurotransmitters that signal facial muscles to move. It also works to stimulate new collagen production, the protein responsible for firm, youthful skin, and helps retain moisture in the skin. How to use the Ordinary Argireline Solution 10%. After the cleansing and toning steps of your skincare routine, apply a few drops to your forehead and around your eyes. You can use the serum in both your morning and evening skincare routines. Just a couple of weeks regular wage, you can see that your lines are noticeably diminishing. Especially the lines around your lips. The crease line and neck will be gone. In short, it can take longer than Botox, but you can actually see the wrinkle smoothing effects after a couple of weeks. This is a cheap and effective remedy to remove wrinkles at bay. Thanks for watching.